Hello everyone, I'm Alfian and today we are going to solve the hackering algorithm preparation challenge, and we are still on the warm-up section. We are trying to solve the plus minus case. We are tasked to solve an array that contains a positive, negative and also zero numbers, and then we are trying to calculate the ratio inside the array. Not just that, but we are also tasked to limit or make a decimal precision, 6 decimal places precision. So in other words, we are using the 6 digits behind the decimal number for the precision, to solve the precision issue in order to successfully tackle this challenge. And then we are trying to iterate the status of the element inside the array. So for example, the first iteration is considered a positive number, and then for the second example or the second iteration is also a positive number, and 0 is considered 0, and then for summary, the 2/5 of the array is calculated as 0.4000000, and then for the rest also, or for the negative also 0.4, because we have the -1 and also the -1, 2 out of 5 elements, and then we are printing the results in integer. But in this case, for the function here, the called the plus minus, we are using the TypeScript to solve this challenge, and then we are returning a void, which is we are returning nothing other than logging it using the console. So for the first line, we are printing the ratio of the positive number, and then for the second line we are printing the negative numbers or the negative ratio, and then for the final line we are printing the how many zeros are in the array, and also in a form of ratio. So without further ado, let's solve this. And we are using the constant, which is the denominator. The denominator means like we have 5 elements inside the array, and this can be used as the denominator, and then we are passing in the array parameter with the length property. And then for the second one, we are leveraging the reduce function, and then counting the numbers or the numerator, and then we are passing the array parameter or the array parameter with the reduce, and then as usual we are using the accumulator and then the current. And for this case, we are not implicitly returning or direct returning, but instead we are using the if to check if the first iteration or the current iteration with the curve parameter, if the curve is above 0, and then we are using the accumulator as the temporary variable, and then we're passing the positive number as the property, and then making it increase it by 1. Oh, don't forget to take the property to leverage the accumulator property with the pos as the positive number. The initial value will be 0, and then the negative property, which is also 0, and then the 0, you guess it, 0. So we already solving the positive number from the iteration, and then for the else if the current iteration is below the 0, and then the result is we are incrementing or increasing the negative counter by 1, and then for the final one, of course, we are counting the 0 itself with the 0 plus plus, and then returning after all of the iterations are completed. We are returning the value, the accumulator or the temporary value, into the constant, and then we are, don't forget to log using the console.log, and then const, we're passing the post parameter, and then don't forget the denominator, which is the denom. So we are, in short, we are using the numerator and then the denominator, and then don't forget to limit it using the toFix function with the 6 digits behind the decimal number. And let's test this code. To see if it's work. So for the positive number, we got that correctly, and then let's write the rest. Cons negative, and then just using the same logging. I was using the Ctrl C and then Ctrl V to print out the entire line. That's another tip from me. And then don't forget to change to 0, because we are counting the 0 ratio. And then let's run the code to see if it works. Okay, so this works flawlessly. So if you have any questions, or if you have any other alternative solutions, you can write it on the comment section. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.